Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own post on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in nextdoor.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Nextdoor website where you can log in to your account using your email address and your password. Once you log in, you will end up on your homepage, where you can find various posts from people close to your location. Now, in order to create your post, you can simply click on the What's on Your Mind section and you will be allowed to create your post. After typing in your post, you can simply tap on the Enter button or click on the adjoining arrow key and your post will be displayed just like this on the newsfeed of people that are close to you. And people can interact with your post by liking, commenting and sharing as well. And that is how easy it is to create your very first post. You can also click on the post option at the left side, which is the green button, and from there you can create your post as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a post on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.